The Art of Freedom. Unveiling the 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper. Imagine the wind whipping through your hair as you roar down an open highway, the sound of your motorcycle's engine echoing against the backdrop of sprawling landscapes. The world melts away, leaving only you and your machine an extension of your very soul. The 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper isn't just a bike, it's a masterpiece of craftsmanship, individuality, and freedom. This chopper represents the ultimate expression of the rider's personality and a lifestyle that celebrates adventure. Join us as we explore the features, design, and exhilarating experience that make this custom chopper a true icon of the road. A canvas for personal expression. At the heart of the allure of the chopper is its ability to be a canvas for personal expression. Unlike mass-produced motorcycles, custom choppers allow riders to infuse their personality and style into every aspect of the bike. From the paint color to the engine configuration, every detail can be tailored to reflect the rider's individuality. The chopper culture has its roots in the 1960s, characterized by modified motorcycles that emphasize style and performance. Each custom chopper tells a story, whether it's through unique artwork, personalized components, or a distinctive build. The chopper takes this tradition to new heights, offering a platform for riders to showcase their vision. Customization options galore. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper is the plethora of customization options available. Riders can select everything from frame design, choose between classic hardtail or modern softtail frames, or even a bespoke frame that suits your vision. Engine type. Opt for a powerful V-twin engine or explore electric options for a sustainable ride. Suspension. Customize your ride's handling with adjustable front forks and rear shocks to match your riding style. Wheels and tires. Select from a variety of wheel sizes and styles, including classic spoke wheels or modern alloys. Finish. Paint and chrome finishes can range from matte black to vibrant hues, allowing you to create a look that stands out. Each of these choices contributes to the overall aesthetic and performance of the motorcycle, giving riders the opportunity to create something truly unique. Engineering excellence. Performance meets style. Beyond aesthetics, the 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper is engineered for performance. The combination of cutting-edge technology and traditional craftsmanship results in a bike that not only looks stunning but also performs exceptionally. Engine power and performance. Typically powered by a high-performance V-twin engine, the chopper delivers an exhilarating riding experience. Riders can expect impressive torque and horsepower, allowing for quick acceleration and a thrilling ride. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight corners, the engine's responsiveness ensures that every twist of the throttle is met with power. With advancements in engine technology, riders can also explore eco-friendly options, including electric powertrains that offer instant torque and reduced emissions. This blend of classic chopper appeal with modern engineering makes the chopper an enticing option for a wide range of riders. Handling and suspension. Handling is a crucial aspect of any motorcycle, and the 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper excels in this department. The suspension system can be fine-tuned for comfort or performance, depending on the rider's preferences. Whether you're hitting the open road or tackling winding backroads, the chopper's handling capabilities ensure a smooth and controlled ride. The lightweight frame and carefully selected components contribute to the bike's agility. Riders can enjoy the freedom of movement that comes with a well-balanced motorcycle, allowing them to navigate any terrain with confidence. The thrill of riding. An experience like no other. Riding the 2025 Custom Chopper is not just about transportation, it's an experience that ignites the senses. The sound of the engine, the rush of air against your skin, and the thrill of the open road combine to create a unique and exhilarating adventure. Freedom on two wheels. For many riders, a motorcycle represents freedom, a way to escape the confines of everyday life and embrace spontaneity. The 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper embodies this spirit of freedom, inviting riders to explore new horizons and discover the world from a fresh perspective. Riding a chopper allows you to connect with the road in a way that few other experiences can match. The ability to feel the power of the engine and the responsiveness of the bike creates a visceral connection that enhances the joy of riding. Community and camaraderie. Owning a custom chopper also opens the door to a vibrant community of fellow enthusiasts. Chopper clubs and motorcycle events offer opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals who share a passion for the open road. Whether it's local meetups, charity rides, or cross-country trips, the camaraderie among riders fosters a sense of belonging. Sharing stories, tips, and experiences with fellow riders adds depth to the journey. Custom motorcycle culture is about more than just riding, it's about building friendships and creating lasting memories. Safety and technology. Riding with confidence. While the thrill of riding is paramount, safety should never be overlooked. The 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper integrates modern safety features that enhance rider confidence. Advanced safety technologies. Many custom choppers come equipped with advanced safety technologies such as ABS anti-lock braking system helps prevent wheel lock-up during hard braking, ensuring better control. Traction control enhances stability by preventing wheel spin during acceleration, especially on slippery surfaces. LED lighting improves visibility for both the rider and other drivers, ensuring safer night rides. These features contribute to a safer riding experience, allowing you to enjoy the thrill of the road with peace of mind. The journey of customization, a personal adventure. Building a 2025 custom motorcycle chopper is not just about the end product, it's a journey in itself. Collaborating with skilled builders and designers allows riders to immerse themselves in the creative process, turning their vision into reality. Finding the right builder. Working with a reputable motorcycle builder is essential for ensuring quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Many builders specialize in custom choppers, offering expertise and insights that can help bring your ideas to life. Whether you have a clear vision or need guidance, a skilled builder will collaborate with you to create a motorcycle that reflects your personality and style. The satisfaction of ownership. Once your custom chopper is complete, the satisfaction of owning a truly unique motorcycle is unparalleled. Every ride becomes a celebration of your creativity and passion, a reminder of the journey you embarked on to create something extraordinary. Conclusion. The open road awaits. The 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper is more than just a motorcycle, it is a celebration of freedom, individuality, and the spirit of adventure. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and opportunities for personalization, this chopper invites riders to embrace the open road like never before. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Custom Chopper offers an exhilarating experience that transcends the ordinary. It's about the thrill of the ride, the connections made along the way, and the stories that unfold on the journey. So, are you ready to take the plunge and create your own masterpiece? The 2025 Custom Motorcycle Chopper awaits, ready to turn your dreams into reality. Embrace the freedom of the open road and let your adventure begin.